Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this stunning Kawasaki Ninja 650, registered the 30th of June 2023 on a 23 plate with only 3,060 miles and presented in the desirable KRT, Kawasaki Racing Team livery. This one owner from new example benefits from a full main dealer service history, with the last service completed just 277 miles ago. It also comes fitted with a genuine Kawasaki rear seat cowl, along with a 30mm Lust Racing lowering kit. This can easily be returned to the original seat height of 790mm if required. The familiar 649cc parallel twin has proven hugely successful and popular. It's a punchy, characterful engine, and the Ninja's chassis is light, slim, nimble, and great fun to throw around. It's easy to see why these bikes are the go-to choice for riders competing in the Mini Twins Championship, as well as those looking to cut their teeth on their first sports bike. The Ninja 650 is also A2 compliant if required and features an easy-to-read full-color TFT dash with Bluetooth connectivity. This desirable sports bike will leave us serviced where required with a 12-month MOT, a comprehensive PDI inspection, and remainder of the manufacturer's 4-year warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp us on 07359837799. Please note, we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.